Idukki farmers benefit from new laws under question. The farmers from a few states in India are on an indefinite strike demanding repealing of the new farm laws by the Narendra Modi government. The basic concept of the new rule is a near abolition of the mandis or agricultural produce market committees. It also ensures minimum exploitation by middlemen. But thanks to the influence by Western interests from outside, the farmers are steadfast and continue the agitation. Though the state of Kerala in India does not have a mandi system in place, the opposition Congress as well as the ruling Marxists oppose the laws. But the situation in Idukki district of Kerala is totally against the arguments of political parties and farmers who oppose the laws. One among the three controversial acts, the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Act, is helping cardamom farmers of Idukki district. These farmers depended on Spices Park to auction their produce. But the restrictions on movement of vehicles as part of lockdown hit its functioning. This made way for e-auction in Idukki, the highest producer of cardamom in India. The Cardamom Growers Association of Idukki floated a new company for this. The Idukki Progressive Spices Producer Company came into being and started e-auction from early December. The new law facilitates selling produce to anyone across the country. As many as 5,000 cardamom farmers have already registered under the new company. The chairman K.S. Matthew says more than 50,000 kilograms of cardamom has already been sold during 2 e-auctions held in the first week of its operation. Doing wonders in facilitating selling of their produce fast and fair, more and more cardamom farmers are allying with the company. The new facility not only removed involvement of middlemen but also ensured quick payment to farmers. The farmers get their money within 10 days of selling their produce through e-auction facility of the company. Earlier, they used to get their payment only after 21 days. And if any farmer needed advance, they would have to pay an interest of 24 to 33% for the amount they received in advance. This system prevailed in Idukki and other parts of Kerala for a long. Now, there is neither payment like advance payment on interest or prepayment. The Growers Association ensures that only those buyers who could pay within a week bid in their e-auction. The new entity is in the process of creating a user-friendly and state-of-the-art website to ease operation. Not only that, the new norm of e-auction in a broad spectrum made farmers fetch good price and quick payment, it also eliminated middlemen and interest on advance payments. The cardamom farmers of Idukki are a happy lot thanks to the new farmers law. Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.